It's another windy fall day here at Baker Creek. This is the tile garden, and we're getting geared up for our spring tulip festival. So what we're doing this year to make better bulbs is we are sterilizing our soil with steam. So what you see here behind me is a steam sterilization process using a diesel-fired steam boiler, which is creating steam at 210, 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's getting injected into the beds. Basically what we're doing is we're sterilizing the soil, killing all the bad pathogens to get better tulip bulb production in the spring. The tulip production last year was good, but it was a little lackluster. There was some botrytis issues. So we have some friends in Holland, and they recommended you got to steam it. That's the way. That's the commercial way. So here we are. The soil's supposed to get to like 180 degrees. It takes about 2 to 3 hours, and you just probe it into the plastic, and you're able to see what the temperature is. And you're trying to go for like 6 to 8 inches down to get that heat to penetrate into the soil structure. But if you were to touch this right now, I mean, it's way too hot to the touch. It's steaming hot. So it's pretty cool. This is a unit we got from Curtis Millsap. Borrowed it from a friend of ours, Millsap Farms. It was made in 1970, right around there. So, I mean, it's an old machine. It's completely homemade. Homemade welds, homemade electrical, but it works. It's a diesel-fired boiler. So what that means is there's a diesel tank that pumps diesel, ignites the diesel, heats up a flame, and around that flame is a hot water tank. And so that water is building and building and building till it's boiling, till it captures the steam, and then on the top of the tank is the steam outlet. So it's like basically putting a kettle on your stove,